government abo kutwereza itaka lyetu eryo abandi tukalengana ku processinga baitu bikalema waikayugani bagambe kyapa kira mpingo muno gwe Mbagazi tunda kusima bebembezi baitu muno owekikire tuwesige tulekere hamuno mukyara abukorora ngo mu myezi ene ibagyayo basoboyire kutuyeraye kyapa ekyo kandi government yeriride kituhereza no kurora ngo buri muntu hakali yapimirwe kyapaki
hati mugenda kufuna abantu no kurugata na hano mukagadi honga na herwo abandi kuruga za Kampala nkaha nibaija kubagura he byapa ba mama na batata mbesengerize leka itaka linu tufune byapa kwe kurakuraniza tulikozese nka president kwa koraki ngo kwa kutwegesa
amasaza nkabuyaga eri muhati buyaga east na west hamwe na bugangize eri mu bugangizi east west na south gakaba gatwirwa abaganda kandi batire n'ebyapa na hati abantu mu masaza gani batura mu kutina bwo kujyangwa amataka gubaruho ngo nagari ya byapa bya amakuru agasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze
Webere Thomas tumwebaze. President Yoweri Museveni hona oryomdumizi mukuru w'amahega Uganda ayonjire kuterera umuranga go kwegita okwamahanga ga Africa kandi agumze ngogo nugo musenje guru kwija kugayamba okutunguka no kwenyweza ombyo kwerinda.
President Yoweri Museveni okwiga amahanga ga Africa kweyongera kwatanisa n'obwabira ry'umugenyi mukora ha mukoro go kujweka abasirikare ba UPDF abamadaraga yiguru amwe n'abantu ba burijo abarukora na Ministry y'ebyo kwerinda aha mukoro korirwa National Defense College Uganda omulinjeru mu district ya Buyikwe. Aba bajwekirwa bahereza omushomo gwahiguru mbyo bwebembezi ninga shigwete prestigious leadership course kandi ababire barumuna ba general bashatu barum Brigadier General Richard Tukachungurwa, Brigadier General James Chiengo hamwe na Brigadier General Joseph Fred Onata.
The graduation ceremony amplifies this college's journey towards our country's strategic leadership development. Your Excellency, the initial cohort 4 comprised of 22 participants who were drawn from the Uganda People's Defense Forces and the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs. They include 3 Brigadier Generals, namely Brigadier General Richard Tukachungurwa, Brigadier General Dr. James Chiengo, and Brigadier General Joseph Freddy Onata. Others comprised 18 colonels and 1 civilian, Mr. Temera Patrick, from the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs.
President Museveni hona jizirengwe nkurakulana ya Africa na Uganda byaza kweyongera abantu bona bine kurwo mugoro ekyagize nkiza kubaho buri omwe yatanika gukora sente.
If you want to defend Africa, I can think of 4 or 3 points. 3 points. Point number 1, the economy of Uganda, the small country called Uganda, which we have, which is under our control, must undergo socio-economic transformation. All the peasants must disappear. My father was a peasant, I'm a peasant, my child is a peasant, my grandchild is a peasant. You will not defend Africa. The peasants must disappear.
President Museveni onagizirengu ogundu muhanda gwo kubingo bworo mbanya Uganda omwe n'abantu ba Africa no kureba ngo buli omwe yatungo bwegese.
You must be in the money economy, everybody. Abakorera ekida kyonka, those are part of the insecurity. The 4 sectors are commercial agriculture, whether you are there as an owner or as an employee, but you should join. Commercial agriculture, manufacturing and artisanship, services, and ICT. Everybody joins the money economy. The whole economy, because up to now, the economy, in spite of all the efforts, by 2013, the people in the subsistence sector, were 68% of the population.
I further extend sincere appreciation to the leadership of the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs and the Uganda People's Defense Forces. Under the guidance of the Permanent Secretary and Chief of Defense Forces, your dedication to build a professional, disciplined, and capable force is evident. This sustained investment in advanced strategic training demonstrates a great foresight and a firm commitment to strengthening institutional capacity at all levels of command.
The graders today, we have given you much more. From cadet, platoon commander, company commander, junior staff, senior staff, now NDC Uganda. And I hope today I will leave this place with our strategic plan.
Our TV West in Abdukarim Sengendo.
Webade Abdukarim Sengendo. Habaho kwetombwita akutorana obukiiko bw'okwebembera sente za parish development model ekyaleetera n'abamwe omu bashomakuzi babingwa. Obutiikiriza n'obu bwaba buri aha rubuyanja kashagama omuri Lyantonde.
Okurugirira abebembezi nibagira ngu president aragiire ngu abakugwa mu kushomankura sente z'abakene bakyondoozibweho kiri kumara.
Mujukira bulungi nti omukulembeze w'eggwanga bwe yali atambula ng'anoonya akalulu baamutegeeza nti obukiiko obukadde obwaliwo bwali essente nga busaba abantu enguzi buli eyajjanga nti okuwa sente za PDM bamala kujjako ki sente. Omukulu n'aga nti we kibanga kyekyo obukiiko bubaddeko bonna buyiibwe.
Mr. Agaba misappropriated funds under the Youth Livelihood Program and the Emyoga Program. Muni kigambwa ngu obuyabire ali kansala owakasaka masabu county akakozesa kubininga akabuzaabuza sente omu program za government ey'abasigazi n'ey'emyoga.
Ezi ni zimwe nshonga ezaremesa Moses Rubega na Geoffrey Agaba okugaruka mu bwebembezi bwa nyuma y'okutungwa kakumu ngo bakalye ezitali zaabo mu nkyuro ehoire.
Kandi okubitunga nabo nabihurira habo kuba n'ekyo barangi ky'ekipapura bakireetedde kiikezi ekya RDC. Kandi ekya RDC byarukandika ebintu ari kwetegereza yagira ngo abataka na other key stakeholders ngo nibemulugunya kundi omuntu otashikire agarhanga naninjera kunda bendi omuntu otashikire nkabanta kansara nkozire nebitongore kutandikana na NADS 2024 financial year nabaho kya personal district farmers forum nabaho kya personal sub county farmers forum emyaka musanju kantara ko mirwobo obwabere tune vote ho miliyoni gana for financial year tinda chereze hati mbini ngone bitongore byona nkozire na USO nkozire na World Resident Federation ko na Lakobao bona nkozire nawo tine unyine henziro no chanti sa chantangaza kurebesha heji ni batonda kachuka just aka PDM akakatara muna chika kumanyisa okahura nibanta allegations inkezo estina evidence
there it's not good ibyo byo kutamisa abantu government abantu butetreramu abantu butakora karukabo nko kubaine katwaza ibyo nebintu byabahagaru kandi kavurwa government eronzire kuyamba abantu kiretera abantu kutamwa government
akakiiko akatwiriho kashenywa lero bahanga akanda kayebemberwa Asafa twebembiri
bwana nisaba abaza kuzaho obumu mango no kwana chewa tukumusente bona mango aliyo sente muzo kulonda tuziriyo nawo kuza kuziba kandi utukuziba hako tukuza sente za kuzigezoha ziya dufurirwa bwenu mukora n'umutima gumwe mukora abantu mukora ihanga kandi ndakushima His Excellency Mwebezi 7 ebirungi ebyatuhire kurangu niwe mwebembezi mu government ko kwa sente za Uganda akazerezo omuntu wasi
tuza kubeta haba abantu babari bashatuzana ninga batanu buri mwaye gambeho then kamasho ofisaranga kutugayidira ingeri turatura ne makaruro bano kwanikera igere banamisho sinzira kamasho ofisi ko aragayidinge
Beito mugandi makuru ku rugaci ruhura obururu bwo kutorana mukuru w'entebe yo kubanza bwa NRM bwaterwa mu kavuyo kamani hacisha isanga omuri nyabushozi kiruhura kandi okwe niyo abesimbireho bona bashabwe nkwatanisa abwe ntunguka yebyanga byabo Alex yatise yasinga n'obururu 2020 arukusinga Abdul Mugerwa owiha yigana 89 lero na Dani Nkoko akiha y'obururu 39 aba babana bahayanira entebe ya chairman Simon Mujenyi o abuzire enchiro yetaka hoyireyo
The winners must know the losers are very important. The losers had supporters. So if the losers had 189 supporters, you need them. I liked the way they behaved. The candidates were all collegial. They were friends. They were friendly. And that should continue for the betterment of Sangasi.
Chachiza kunsinguza manifesto yanjye yimbire nyine rero kugambira abantu tubaburizo tugira ubumwe hamwe no kwatanisa abo kubentaro tuchweka nanga so musere nango mbantu bitunze bazitakuyamba
bamwe no barebe bahakanisa byarwo mu karuraka konka kandi hina babishagika
kandi eco tubita kucimana ko kirabe ubururu bubona babuteka nkayo owadani owachi wa Alex so kwiyeho kina masiko tubasa kureto ndijo independent ayesimbe arji
mwakureto ndijo independent
yes kwabwe shonga tumwine kandi nabasa baba batugira bati niyo group birebe cyo bari mu kikirikiti ta olo kujukira Sangasi no komandinga tango doyo kujo kutumusagaruruka na kesonga cyama ne bavuye agenda naje tukunye amanyiga y'abantu banga tukunye umuntu w'abantu yari Alex bagala
kandi tazo mu karuru akinkorohoza ngo kaba free and fair umwami yetise Alex yasingisa mubero abudo burura 5 na kamwe kandi nyesaga ngo abatuze be kitunda basanga si babaronda umukurembezo bakureba ngo nwashemerire tware kitundi cyabo misho
Sande William na Aiza na Inebyona habwa TV West
abebembezi mu district ya Shema bashabwa okugira enkwatanisa bareke kuryana abwentunguka yebyanga byabo ebyagambo mu ishazi lyabebembezi ba Shema eryabariya hambuga nkuru eza district
Omwisha zeretebekanisiibwa omnyishengero kazabwa district ya Shema Adrin Katsime mwebesa okwatanise na kanso ya district ya Shema eryetabirwa mabebembeze n'abakozi ba government bagambira hanshongezi barukwenda ngo abanyishengero bazubatwara higuru
of the release of funds in quotas from the central government. The first quota is delayed, meaning that the operations in the first quarter will not be very active. The last quarter is also delayed. To the extent even when we receive supplementary budget, it comes one month before the end of the financial year. And that money is not utilized, it is sent back to the treasury.
Release ya hesa kulandinga district papa katujenengu yizezo nebirobinga nebiriku katujenengu yizebiriku ngwe sente release zizankahe district hato mukole kabire n'uki
no kureba ngo abebembezi members of parliament hamwe na leadership ya district yitu ya Shema yaba in sync ninga yakwatansiza hamwe omukureba ngu entunguka yitu ya Shema ya rugayo n'umukimanya ngo ba member ba parliament central government nibo bakulobinga ninga nibo bakugenda bakashaka kandi bashaka bakareta aha district local government nabanisha bangu waba noyenda ngu district yawe ekurakurane aba bantu babira binagamba hoto bashemerire ku bantu barwanagana
mu rukiko ru abembezi ba district ya Shema borekero kuba ariyo bagezaho ko abantu buhereza ngo kombeka amashomero no kore nguto bitu bagambire nebice baremere biro kwetaga umukono muhango.
I mean access to clean water for all bagashema ka district yo chandolinga abakazo kokora mizi nyukuza mizi na niterekani turiyo tujaji tubichendeze
wokufitayo issues amasheruka twateye nirwaro health center seri shangire nkamasheruka eryenyuma mu Lunga umkwateye n'ibyo hereza tutwinirwaro health center seri
Anshonga PDM district commercial officer agizirengwe mirokena district ya Shema tekatungire sente za PDM.
That is Ryakasinga in Shuku, Kasana North in Kasana sub-county. We have Nyabwina in Mashiruka sub-county and Rugazi in Mashiruka sub-county.
Councillor zaba yaha nokora ngutogora cyamakorero. Toilet industries. Whether big or small, hata wantana koroma makorero, angoyo mza university, in any case university and industries work together, academic industry relations. Hati abawona, mano hani zabantu basya abareta mwese yabarga Congo, yabarga Sudani, bazisyamu. Kuba zisyamu rukabohe, zayikarumza hostel zayibana bararahona, konkaji masangu wasaruni ajarachi, wasaruni yajamu. Kuba ajarachi, yajamu.
Aba bahendire barukushaba bembezo kuzumbyanga byabo bakashomesa abantu ebyakubasa kubatungura gasha kwa Sheikh Abdul Latif.
Babere Sheikh Abdul Latif reka tumireho tugaruka nagarukurata.
Rukurataho abarukura za sako za PDM barabwirwe kukwatwa umurisi injiro.
Umuntu wero raporo musende za PDM umukono no gusigaramo.
Ahabyo bwegese nibikushikibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute
nekintu cyamani umuzire kushura omwana ahabo kuba no encouraginga kandi nabwo still mbaba mazarubwire batine na bazire babo mwene kuba kubareba bashemerwa kandi nabazire babongeramo amani byango bashomeje munongo nabwo cyo muzire eki cyacereka visiting day ninga kiri AGM umuzire tumencouraginga ngo ije orebe abashomesa bamwana wawe Kani wo participating mu activities zishomero yona ku implementing the 5-year strategic plan omuriyecho twine kombekera oburaro bw'abashomesa kombeka dormitories abana
obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese bw'abantu bukukibwaho
Kitagata Farm Institute.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
ebyokwomeka byongera kworoba kankwanjulire ankole crazy limited abara kubumbira byokwomekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi by'omutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mbwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakwesa technology rispiria echo nabyombeche changale nka bendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole crazy limited tugende twombeke
manager ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turgo mu muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tukizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunyombo na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Skylight Hotel restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahibarukereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchemo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36
Nashikamba neza kutwara abantu aheru zirinka hikanara kajyayi nawe
yabatindati
agandi mu uriyo protoko gumire nishabo nyambe nyene cene maweki nyenda kukitwara aheru banje ngo hari abantu
arekeraho abo kutwara abantu ahera bese gwamba beta bahezi recruitment expert reba hariya Amazon building mwijemba twari
tutware
bito nyeri
ontware ahori kwenda
itwe aba Haze recruitment expert nutuzaguza myaka 10 ombuhereza ubwo kutwara abantu aheru erabambara nsangwa Amazon building not musanjina not emwe not office zito za Kampala nsangwa rubo wa opposite na Kwarte supermarket esumu not musanju ine mirundena itane mirundena ninga not musanjina not emwe 235 mukaga Haze recruitment expert go Haze
go better
kashati wa
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi rosfo nikangara konko by'amashamera nogwa mutindo rosfo insi yokushemera kwanje
okoraraje nukureto kwangara no kutekatekaje umugongo takubiyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindre mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rosform rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
nahati nyechakare nebire byombisho rosform insi yokushemera kwanje
rosform insi yebiroto bironje.
Give your child the opportunity to build a brighter future by enrolling at Ankole Western University, a Christian-founded institution located in Shema District on Kabohe Hill. Ankole Western University provides a conducive learning environment with modern facilities and highly qualified professional lecturers dedicated to equipping students with the knowledge, skills, and values needed to succeed in today's competitive world. Programs offered: degree and diploma programs in agriculture, information technology, accountancy, business business administration, public administration, education, and theology. Postgraduate diploma programs are also available. August intake 2026 registration is in progress. Ankole Western University offers a 50% scholarship to eligible students. Tuition fees after scholarship, degree programs, Ugandan shillings 650,000 only. Diploma programs, Ugandan shillings 450,000 only. Apply today. Download application forms from www.au.ac.ug. Ankole Western University, light of the world.
Kurkayo omukahumuro kandi omuganda makuru bakuru b'obukiiko oburukuraza sako za parish development model n'abemuruka n'amagomboro muri Singiro barabwirwe kukwatwa ahabw'okwiha sente ahabatuura abaruku banu baza kutunga sente za parish development model.
Omujwekerwa wa president wa district Singiro nuwe ahireyo okurabura abarukura za sako za PDM omwanya ogu obiri urukiko rukureba ngo bangira kurebuza sente ezo ziri kugabwa awa PDM zitakagarukamo mihonano kano mu rwanda gukorwa bagushoronzi je
PDM teri mu politics nshaneza ruhira mijera ni mweshagire PDM yagira politics konka ahandi hon omu parishes ezitune 131 madamu kaw politics ezituteganise zigira mu PDM zigire mijera in ruhira konka ahandi hon babene batorana urukura bajyo mu kitu cya PDM
kandi twatwesera bebembezi bona bakwatwa ha PDM na munonga abakwedinga PDM ahamiruka abemeruka abamagomborera nabagiso bamagomborera abo abana bari in charge of security so twikirizana ngo this time no sleep, this time no corruption taraho kuzanazana umuntu weno rakora umusenzo za PDM umukono no gusigaramo
omuri Singiro district program ya PDM okujamrisha president abatura batwene beto mbwita obagumizenga abarukwebembera za sako arengo rwamagomba nemeruka batwene babihaho sente ngo kuza kutunga sente za PDM
ntwire cases zeze ndi kuzukora na team but this time around habo kujya mukawo kirenda kuba kiri mwiteka lihango ebyembabazi bihuire noja kunyikiriza nahandika niwo supporting je ebyo byo kwete byo kunasinga ngo kusigomwa no tujuta ebyo bikozeriki ebyo bihuire
obwahati amateka go kuronda bakuru ba sako za PDM gahindukire hariho n'akaciko akatiroho arengo rw'amagomborora okucondoza no kumanya abari nibonja kuriyenguzi cya compromise kishangirwe ngo hariho nabamwe ombebembeza arengo rw'amagombora nemuruka batari kutura omyanya ejo abantu bagira ngo nibo bebembiremo okucumbagiza omurimo ogu
katwine bitehurizi inzu zemiruka aho kiza kuronda chifu ubani ho wamurondera ahanzu yo muruka mwene zo nzu zemiruka ninjira tizaciruho nico rarebera ba chifu waramurondera marara ukamurondera aryabiro ukamurondera makake
mwena ngira kushaba one of the town agency Margaret ijao nshobore aho shimekwa no korra kandi ayo shimekwa kushana
nyowe appointment yanje neshoma chikoba ward echo chimanyisangu wanondonda ninga nani nkora nimbanye nekora chikoba ward noba kushana
so ashimekwa narara umparish nasho umuward ejo mwono korra mbarra ukumbatugambere barekora mu mutaha abandi
burugomborera nitwenda kutora na mu PDM modo sako PDM modo sako nisako ejera benegendera haberagiro abantu bayo bakacika bakagera nebinde byawo ebo bayikorera nk'abantu
okuhereza abantu sente za PDM okuja bebembezi kubera kwemerezibwe bitumbure butarwahare nuko kwijagara kwamu amakuraga gasha kwa Felix Nduhura abwa TV West.
webere Felix Nduhura abanyadini n'abakugu ombyo bwegeze okwetorera ihanga lyona baragwire abejukurwa mu district ya Mitoma okumanya kibarukwenda bushirikare tubase kubahwera okukora entramu etarkwija kubateganisa baba bayishiro mu myaka yabo yo gukora okwetungura
abejo kushabwa kuba abacurezi bigambiwe nyumuyobazi y'ishomero rya Sentinel SS Mutara ubwo abashomira ishomerere babiri nabugana habeji okuganira nabahari nyense yabo chete career guidance aho batandikire n'ekitambo cya misa abeja barukwebwa amakago barukurugamu bakahabisubwa barabwirwe.
Friends can either encourage you to succeed or lead you away from your goals. Respect your parents, teachers and school rules.
Just have discipline. Discipline first and fear God. And concentrate in your books.
kandi babeja batandikire kweho amasuku ahabwe mbere y'barukorabamo bagarirwa mu amasuku kandi bashabo kwekerezamo no kuremeraho mpaka batungire kibarukwenda.
So the kind of future and careers they are telling us to choose, you work on it on a daily.
Role yomuzile, you were chance you afuna kubori mu class, you read as a girl child. To experience itwine no ko makayitshirwe no mirimo yitukora munyenda kubagambira abana babishimu wabo tashomiro kagire kiwaye gasira. Life is very hard for you.
Urukura bashomira ishomereri abarukwegitira mu kibina cyawe cya Sentinel wa SS or the Students Association Dr. Kereo Byamukama agambira habwenje buri mwaka barukwije kugumana bakora career guidance.
We chose to do career guidance because it empowers the young learners. We want you to also have courage, have faith, have determination, so that you read hard, work hard, then in future you also become like some of us.
Today has been our Careers Day, and we have been thankful for the guidance that we have received from our OBs and OGs from their school. We really appreciate their advice, the message that they have delivered, for the energy that they have put in, for coming all over where they have been to come back to school.
Nabwa nyuma basi mirabe y'abakozere ryo mutamu yo kubanza okurugasi niyo kubanza mpaka sini ya mukaga kandi bikirezingine kugumiza bano bakwatara habe y'abatarukuye basamwe n'abandi gasha kwa mayo kwatwakire.
Abantu abarukurengo mu 12 bayitaba mu rusisiraro by'amagara urwabusha urutebekanisiwe abeja bashomire mu Ntiyera High School Kitunga n'ebindi bitongore okurebeka ngo abantu batunga obuhereza bw'byamagara abantu nibagirango bashangira abantu na mnonga abakuzire bino burwire bitu batarukutunga kuragurwa.
Urusisiro rw'byamagara rw'ebiro bibiri rutebekanisiibwa abashomire mu Ntiyera High School Kitunga n'ebindi bitongore n'ekigenderwa cyo kusyobuhereza bw'byamagara hihi.
Obujanja bobu buri expensive wazo mu marwaro ubanaga government ubanaga naga private obujanja bobu kintu cyanguhi omwe ntaharahare witaga kutamu transporta kukwenda kuza a health center iba kwasa kwanu baragurira busha kongo shanga na transport yo kusiga yabahari kongo twatubitira aha ntabari hihi kandi ugaruko tungo bijanja bwabusha
kintu cya burijo twera kusimira ababo bona bacyobwanazingire kusiga nonga mu Ntiyera School Kitunga okutebekanisa omu kuragururoko nambwe n'abantu nari abantu nyamwinji abagurisi n'abakikuru n'abacyara n'abashija bato n'abandi bona bija kuraguza.
Right Reverend Nathan Ahims World Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa South Ankole niwe yigura urusisiro rw'byamagara mu butongore kandi yashaba abantu kugumana batunga obujanja bo mbanta bino kugombya amagara.
Ariko kwambyetingwa ukuragurwa physically bakakutera bikatu bakakuragurira ukarindwa rejo yagenda. Ongaro abatakuja ngo ibya tuje kushabura konga nga okushabana no kuragurwa byona nibigenda hamwe kandi hanga nakoze cyakwenda akoye no n'ubushobozi byombi bavuga ati iroko wakushabura wacera idakikeje konga yajanga ugenda se mwirwaro bakucebere bamanye ndwara yawe udahita joti nyoka nk'umustanda ni mani shabiramo niza kucyana no gwamo
abanyasayansi bakakora research bayereka ngo icyuka cyankore ninga western na southwestern bicuke bisinge kuteganisibwa non communicable diseases nka pressure na shukari na n'ubuhango ninga kitweta obesity ku bantu bataburango uburingo bwawe na n'ubuhango bwawe bishimpana bitari nka bishimpana bigenda kumwe so twaje kwetegeza twashanga ngo cweke iki kirembe cweke bisinge kuteganisibwa ezendwari ibiri ngo kuteka horse sero by'amagara kugira ngo abantu bije bamanye kubemerire
medical campaign nebaho buri mwaka mu kwezi kwa mushanju kandi umwaka uguru kwijana bajyana bija kwereza obuherezana bwo bumwe omwihanga rya Rwanda
abana ba obiza bashomira especially abana bagira bakora sciences bakagenda bakashomira byo bushaho bakekora mu murumo bagira ngo konka shomiri yatukozera bashaho tugaruka yari tukere kusimba kwita
karabe cyakora ito twatarise na Muntera high school tunga twatamwe sente twaita abadoctors bingi twera twaragurre free of charge
twenka Radio West TV West tugereyo kwatanisa na Muntera high school omuhururu ya medical camp ko muhanda gumo kwebaza abantu no kubasima obwo tukujaguza Radio West kujaguza emyaka abanamushanje no manya abantu abumwe wano yita abantu no hereza none ndi abantu abina magara marungi abantu wano bigete muhikize radio bina magara marungi murebe TV West mwina magara marungi mbwe no yoshonga abo tugiye tukajya ngo twatanise na Muntera high school omuhuru yo kugaruza abantu kandi bakunduza amagara gabo
ndi Anita Tukunda
Webere Anita Atkunda reka tumero tucinaganda makuru minja gacenshire ntugaruka nyuma ya kahumura
Izuba emirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cha chituzi yenywere chituzi ohurema twenge aha mumiro nichikurwa kurugo mu chituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo echi nichikurwa ba chituzi farm company limited aveine teknolojia nebyoma byo mutindo chituzi drink ichirizibwa chitongore cyo mutindo muihanga HUUNBS kandi nashangwa mu maduka na supermarket zono muihanga kushubura tera simu noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushanju munana mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda.
Yantore School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abaheriza sini ya kanane ya mkaga kwisha kwa handitsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obzarsa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemire kubushyikiro kubara no rujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwari kwenda kushoma diploma oshemire kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka ebiro mfield buri mweje na hawo mugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga technology kumwongera umugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruho mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukiraho tera no tumushanju 8 mukaga nashanju ni 3 nashanju ni 5 ashatu na 1
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi Chuchumura kabozi tuntumure stress Tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi Oshemezo mu wife oshemezo mu husband
Komore tukunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink chikutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi nichikuyambaho kwigura misi kireta amana masyo mbashirira hamwe n'abakazi nendijo megasho kwata kabozi multivitamin drink otuntumura cyubaro na stress echo kunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi health products limited chamibwa UNBS kandi churuhombe pimo bya milliliters magana 120 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwetorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanya birukiraho 0 15 0
The parent is Tuliahewa Dixon and the child is Ani Tuliahewa Esther.
Kambera gwete kwa mugisha ngo ishe watu yahewa Esther
wahangura school fees ngene na hateja shana amashemero gagonka MTN momo eberewo mbeni nyegasta igana kaga ni 5 sta manana 0 hash kushashuro mwana school fees tokoma nyo mucheri zagwije wanje ninga nchaka ngwasa kuzo wawe mwebare munonga.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates and Higher Education Access Certificates and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships and Farway Scholarships. Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Everything could be end.
Penkoni.
Yeah.
Yakwera utamuyo mu mudo nokora ekikire wanyompe nkoni. Wanyompe nkoni noshumura kushemererwa ohuriro bunuzi na nobusinge. Noenda kuchamuka mpenkoni.
Legenda. Yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka.
Mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija. Mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje. Teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe. Sinza kutambura. Ngasinywede ku mpenkoni. Ukakasi. Kwata. Nawe nywako. Tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga. Iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi.
Mpenkoni. Wakinkorire.
Alo.
Ese bomwami mukasa.
Mutyaneyo.
Yono broka.
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenungiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala abisenge bimeka.
Nga bisatu.
Ebeyi bagigambye.
Abangambye satano.
Deda 7 zali nyamuko.
Yidwachi.
Anti rangi je tusigisa ya mulembe. Anti nefali ya kitundu yalinya.
Musigisachi.
Global Paints.
Mutia.
Kusiringi. Tukosa Global Mat. Ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kweta gawabwe.
Wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Kusiga je musiga. Ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Guli umite.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
Mayanja Memorial Medical Training Institute abari kushangwa mu Rembo Mbarara nibamanyisa abantu mwena ngo kushaba imyanya ahabo bwegese bubushaho aharengurwa diploma na certificate nikugenda misho ahabo July intake. Course za certificate nezi eyo buzarisa jete midwifery, eyo bunurse jete nursing, eyo kuchebereshagama jete medical laboratory techniques. Okushoma courses notekwa kuba oshire chemistry, biology, physics okubara n'orungereza. Rero nibashomesa na diploma zezi clinical medicine and community health emyaka 3 eyo kuchebereshagama jete medical laboratory technology emyaka 3 okweyongera ahabunasi ninga buzarisa jete nursing o midwifery extension o mahagomene chweka. Leto kushaba kwawe ahishomero Mayanja Memorial Medical Training Institute kandi kumeye gukiraho Teres Mez Airtel not even not note mwenda 23 ina mukaga munana na MTN not 3 emwe mwenda ina 3 Mayanja Memorial Training Institute, empowering to serve.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Tyson! Mwiroko mugende mwirukanze nko kweriya mugirete. Robert! Za kututwara ugiteka yo munanko.
Yesu!
Biki? kana ni mwe yo kubaga hati MTN resara kazana bakita ko kuko liko kugira ngo buri nkoko kwe kuzugwa mu kasese hagati ya saye mwe na saye ibiri ukagura voice bundles asimu yawe then yo MTN ne kwereza minatsi ezabusezine zo koze sizo baryona
gurende chika rwagati ya shahe mwe na shahe ibiri zakasheshe rero tungenda chikisha tuzabusha ezo kutera ba MTN izo baryona nyegasta emwe not star ibiri emwe hash rero tungenda chika zawe zabusha buri zoba MTN twina hamwe okurizana kwitu tukuruho kizibera MTN.
From 11 June to 19 July, everything can wait. The FIFA World Cup 2026. Catch all 104 matches on 4 dedicated channels, live on SuperSport, only on GoTV.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and multi-flavor, so rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Barara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Mukorche mukahumuro kumara imyaka 30 bahemuka Imelda Kazi atwiraro mukuru wentebe yo kubanza ahabucare cha Kidukuru Kihembo B omurembo Fort Portal Central Division ahamyaka nshanjura mkaga yo bukuru bahemuka najirangu obwahati tachenda kweyonjera no kwebembezo obu hagumzengu emyaka mwene chetengo cyo kwerezo ndijo nawe akebembera cyumujemeserize okwemereza ogu ashitamire n'umunyamakuru wito muri Fort Portal kandi yamtebeza embozi
bahemuka Imelda Kazi ahine emyaka 56 y'obukuru kandi obwo kumara emyaka 30 niwatwirara mukuru wentebe yo kubanza habwe cyaro cya Kidukuru Kihembo B omuri Central Division omurubuga Fort Portal ubwo kuza kuba LC1 akabanza kubaha akaciko kecyaro kandi nabwa nyuma yakire kace abataka bamuteka mu bwesigwa okubebembera
mazirumbo yondeze mu myaka yanga 30 yo mukora kwange kuona nyo nkabandi nkabanza executive ya bino bya RC nkabanda executive bitobwiro bwakira abataka bonka baje mukoraki kunya komera bobonka nimanyitaga mbakuri natanga kurugobu imyaka igiyona buri koma kuona batibagonza ndugeho ndabana opposite
aha myaka yayi nobwa hati nikimanyisa ngo akazahabwe bembeza ine myaka 86 y'obukuru bitkurugo bwirobwo bahemuka nagira ngo ibintu binje ha cyaro eki bihindukire
kabakirungi abantu banyikiriza muga nkora nabo ngubata nabo buri kintu cyone kikwetagisa kibona naraga abantu bange mbine ubatamu mvukorahamu ukuru byonjo ngobu bezera barambuzi nkabo ndindo batanabo
ogwa ine project yempono enkoko orutoche n'amajuga bapangisa ekiri kushemeza abahemuka n'okushanga ngu omu myaka 30 yona yayebembire ekyaro eki tagizire bizibu by'amaani omu bwebembezi obu.
Omange bizibu bitabemu akuba abantu mbantu bangonza toroho mpaka tarohoki ndibata nabo wewe hati kinu kakyasisika tukole tuta nosuruza abantu nkabo mugera na mukore muno ya bungi bwansinge ngudo zikingwire nyuma oku aliho ngiro mukasera tukatunga grade akabalo mwebebezi yo bakabana mu mweta bwana kwebia bitu bambi hata akafu akabanza gukora mu GTZ urwo tukataka kingwa kali akagudo katito katanagamba nangu hati kikora yakangende mbaza n'umusejo aserwa grade kanyina mtaranga 20 ngora mama gita tukingura rugudo buli akabwira bakabalo Bob Kaganda bakabali LC3 batakeze ibindi bya division urugudo rutwarulema lejo na rukingura officially LC3 yabaho na muraliza LC2 yabaho n'abandi abagenyi twakingura urugudo witu kurungi officially urugudo wagana mwiso
kutunga obwebembezi na munonga hantebeji omuntu wena nabaine kwesimba kasherura karuru okuruga omu bantu okwenda ngu bamushagike bahemuka nagira ngu ebyo byona tarabirabiremu ahabwo kugira ngu abantu bakaba nibakunda emirimo ye
abaija kuija kunkoma ntasimbele yine kugera manyangu nije kusera karuru mu kyaro ngo kwaje bakuru batari basira ubu bange tabusera obange basanga gano bagambije twoburu yenagize twoburu nyonza simbe nagera kusiba mu kyaro ndo batamwisera gukora campaign kinyu kitabeho nangu
esabite hingwire government erangirire kunhaza kutandikaho kuhandikisa abantu aha byaro byona okwenda ngo bakayetabo mu kutorana mukuru w'entebe yo kubanza omwihanga ryona beito bahemuka taine nteekateeka zona ezo kugaruka kwesimbaho
bantu bange bampaga ubururu na hatuwara bari bakyanyenda gamba imyaka yange hoye kanchwe mu pumuli
ogu nagira ngo emyaka emuhubira katambara otireho n'endwara zitarukumushaho
itaza wiro bwikina gamba yaka mpumule imyaka nkuzire nino bure bwa pressure nino bure bwa arthritis na tinko bisobora kuyongerayo imyaka iyo mesege
bamwe abatura becyaro cyabutugambireho nabo nabatendereza bahemuka ahabo kubahereza kurunji
nyowe ngo mwikazi we cyaro kinu emyaka yimazire nindo cya personion abira mwebembezi omurungi muno omwekambi atakweganyira owakora buli muntu wena kandi ataina kusorora kuona mu bwebembezi bwo buno obwamazire nito natuhereza nkabikazi becyaro ntumwesimisa muno kandi tumwesimisa abo ko bahati ngo kuyagenda kumura tukusaba ngo ahumurikemo yonke ikirize bijya bamwekaguzeho gabantu abandi abaha amagezi agabira nakoze sambwebembezi bwe kira muno abebembezi abata bakijya mbwebembezi
kubona sekasano witu natkolira muno ubwire bwingi nande mwesugwa nakora na amani udana watugezera sugeti tamaya kugaruka mu bwirege babatwora nko kwatwara
omukumura kwe nagira ngo amana naza kugata projects zizayizire nataho okweyihira mu kasente
ina projects zange byange mbini ina project ya project ikishikoti muno nkino ina kizike nkoko kya kita na kiyetenda nje kiri akanyumoko ntena mbakozi nina rento zanga pangisa bange bari akanyumoko na kugwa irembo tindu kuno mbomezi wange nangu
gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire
wabere Jonan Tusingwire habo mbozi nunjejo ejembozi niyo yatsia kwendera makuru AGACENCWIRE wanagakusyo abantu Mbabazi Charity na Lois Gava agane tujaga kwisiyo nyensha kare ho makuru AGACENCWIRE narakuronje
Eshaha zabishatu zechiro na. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
na hati gumana okozesa ABC Dent na Fresh kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumen kahumuraje izoba ryona. ABC Dent na Fresh nibikuhereza kawo karonji munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresh dero oyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina.
Mushana Productions nekushyirwaho
Chituzi yenywere Chituzi ohurema twenge aha mumiro nichikurwa kurwo mu Chituzi cha Shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjora bunuzi hamwe no mutindo
Omuprogaramu egi obuhabuzi bw'omuzire n'obwetagwa
Mushana Production.